using 3 items from Poundland. So the first is a tub. I wanted one that would fit well in this. So this is like a little plant stand. I've used this for other things as well, like displaying candles before actually. But this, as I say, is from Poundland. They have it in the garden section. It's been there for years. So that's £1. And then a tub that fits within it. And then this, they call this Willow roll edging. So again, it's from the garden section, and it's essentially just sticks. Little willow sticks. That go in a long line, so it's for like edging around borders in your garden. So they're the only items that you need for this DIY, but then you will also need a few things like scissors, a little bit of sanding paper, a hot glue gun, or just like a strong glue of your choice. And then I just got the extra little glue sticks in here as well. So first thing to do to get started is, I'm not going to need this lid, so that can go. I'm going to take this label off of here, and then I'm just going to cut this down. I don't want this extra rim on here, so I'm just going to cut it underneath there. Hopefully I can just use scissors. If not, I may need to crack out the Stanley knife. Top of your pot. We've got a few little cracks here. It really doesn't matter at all. We're not going to see this top bit. You just want to grab your sanding paper and just kind of smooth out just so there's no particularly sharp edges. So I'm just going to go all the way around the top and do that. Okay, and second thoughts, I think I am going to reinforce some of these little cracks. So I'm just going to run some thick tape around the top just to make it a little bit more sturdy. Okay, there you go. So it doesn't look too pretty, but that's fine because it will be covered up with your willow border. So the next step is, this is going to go on here like this, and the next and the final step, really, this is so easy, is to get your glue gun. And this might be a little bit tricky actually, just to keep it all in place. You could even do it without the pot first. I'm just thinking as I go along. But you're going to want to attach it to this metal wire at the bottom. So I don't know if you can see that, but then we're going to roll it like this and just make sure it goes all the way around. Now if this was in the middle as well, you can also attach it here to your pot. So I'm going to give that my best shot. Hope it's not a 2-man job. So just to give you a little idea of what I'm doing, you can see how messy it is in here with glue, but that's okay because you're not going to be able to see in there. And we just want it to be as secure as possible. So I'm just running the glue kind of along the willow where the metal is going to fall. Or sometimes just putting a bit on the actual metal itself so that when I lay it down, it just sticks. Really hard to show you, and as I say, a really messy job, but you just need to get as much glue on there as possible. So I'm coming to the end now, so I'm just going to measure how much of this I'm going to need and then cut it off where I'm going to stop. And then continue with my last little section. To get your little pot from before, place it in there. You could add some extra glue around the top just to make it even more secure, but you know what, it's pretty sturdy and I think it looks really cute as it is. So there we go, Poundland Planter, 3 items, super easy to make.